Candied bacon chicken bombs. What's up, everyone? Welcome back to Your Behind BBQ. My name is Kyle. We're talking football today. We're talking football snacks. Football is back. This is a cool little finger food item that I like to make. Something quick, something easy, and something that tastes just so damn good. Today we're gonna be making candied bacon chicken bombs. So what we're gonna do, it's very easy. It's very easy to do, quick, simple recipe. I got some boneless, skinless chicken thighs. I'm gonna pull a chicken thigh out, boneless, skinless. Now you can use white meat, dark meat, bone in, bone out, however you wanna do it. I like the bone out, I like the skinless. It's easier to cook this way. I don't gotta worry about rendering out the chicken skin or anything like that. So all I'm doing is I'm cutting them into pieces about this big. Bang, bada bing, bada boom. Now you can make these as big as you want. This is just the kind of size that I like or that I look for, just because I want something easy, quick on the smoker. All right, after your chicken's been cut into pieces, I like to use our green chili bacon rub. It's got certified Hatch green chilies in there. It's got a little kick. It's got the bacon flavoring. This is a fantastic rub. Now you can use any chicken rub or any type of spicier rub that you like to use. I like a little kick on my food. So I will just mix these up. The cool part about this rub is there's certified Hatch green chilies in it. So anytime it touches meat to marinate, it brings the green chilies back to life. It rehydrates them. So you'll have little chunky green chilies on your food. Okay, so after it's seasoned, I'm gonna get one piece out and I am going to get our cheap bacon. Now, does everybody know why we use cheap bacon? Why we use cheap bacon and not the thick butcher cut stuff is because this bacon will cook a lot faster when wrapped. I'm just gonna wrap them like that. Okay, now that they're all wrapped, the chicken's ready to go, we're gonna get us a nice cooling rack and we are going to spray it down with Pam because I don't want my stuff sticking. All right, so now I got 1/3 cup of brown sugar that I'm gonna just dust the tops, and then we're gonna go all the way around each one. Now, football season's coming up. Drop me a comment down below. Let me know who your favorite team is, who we're rooting for. I'm America's team, obviously the Dallas Cowboys, the only team. I don't expect us to have a good year this year. I'm a diehard fan. You know, it's tough for me to say that, but I hope we can pull it off, but you know how that goes. I'm ready to blow the team up. I'm ready to blow them up, start over. So drop me a comment down below. Let me know who your team is and if I need to be changing sides, but that'll never happen. Clear eyes, full hearts, can't lose. Cowboys forever. All right, boom. Now that you got brown sugar on them, we're gonna now dust them with our hot honey garlic rub. And we're just gonna, boom, there we go. Place them on the cooling rack. Now you can use any rub you like. I like the hot honey garlic because I'm going for the sweet, spicy little chicken bites. Now, once we put these on the smoker, they're going on at 300 degrees. Once they go on at 300, I'm gonna make a very, very, very cool sauce that you can use as a dip. All right, bam, these are on the cooling rack. Now it's time to go fire up the grill. All right, today we're using the Green Mountain Grill pellet grill. I love this damn thing. It's in every one of my videos. She's fired up to 300 degrees. We are going to throw these bad boys on. Boom. Now I'm gonna start a timer for 1 hour, and after 1 hour, we'll come back and we'll check them out. So now it's time to make a cool sauce. So we're gonna do a 1/2 cup of sour cream. Drop that in there. 1/2 cup of mayo, half and half. You gotta do more. If you're making more chicken, you need more sauce, always up it up. So instead of a 1/2 cup, do a full cup. So then we're going to do a 1/2 cup of buttermilk. Now we're gonna do about, I don't know, probably 2 tablespoons, maybe a little more. Now you can always add more of that if you'd like the ranch flavor. So this is just ranch. Then we're going to use our green chili bacon rub. Like I said before, it's got certified Hatch green chilies in it. So as soon as it touches any type of liquid or a dipping sauce like this or meat, the green chilies rehydrate. So we're gonna have rehydrated green chili bacon sauce. But Kyle, you're just making ranch. Yes, pretty much ranch, but I'm making green chili bacon ranch as our dipping sauce. Now I'm gonna taste this to make sure that I like it. I wanna add a little bit more of this. This is also a great sauce for chicken wings too. Mix this together. We're gonna add this to the fridge. We're gonna let it sit, and let's go check out our chicken bombs. Let's go. All right, we're 1 hour in. Let's take a look at these bad boys. Ooh, they look good. Get your handy dandy Thermapen. If you don't have a Thermapen, links down in the description. It's a must-have. It's a must-have thermometer. 161. They're looking good. I want the bacon a little bit more crispy, so I'm gonna give it another 30 minutes. Another 30 minutes, and we'll come back and check it out. All right, now we're 30 minutes. Let's check these out. Ooh, man, these look good. All right, let's see what temp we're at. 168. Oh yeah, 175. Bacon's looking good, nice and crispy. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Time to take these bad boys off. Whoo, look at these bad boys. Man, I cannot wait. I am absolutely starving. Get us a nice little presentation cutting board. All right, last but not least, we're gonna add a little of our green onions on top. Throw a little bit on the sauce. Now, next thing for us, pick this up, go to the TV, watch yourself the game. So, let's give it a shot. I really like the sweetness of the bacon, the chicken. Chicken's got a pop to it. Wow. I'm telling you, this is something quick, easy, simple recipe to do for the game coming on. So, if y'all enjoyed this, please like, subscribe, and I'll catch y'all in the next one. Cheers. Thank you for watching. Make sure you like, subscribe, ring the bell so you don't miss a thing.